In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an interactive Read More button to your content. This feature allows users to access additional information seamlessly, enhancing their experience and engagement on your page. So let's dive into the step-by-step process, ensuring that by the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to incorporate this feature effortlessly. First, open the web page or content editor where you wish to add the text box. Whether you're using a website builder or a content management system, make sure you have full editing access. Once you're in, locate the area where you'd like to add the Read More section. A well-placed button can significantly impact user experience, so consider putting it within engaging content or where you have a lot of text that not everyone needs to read at first glance. Now, insert a text box. The key here is to keep your initial content brief yet informative. Write a concise introduction or summary in this section, hooking your audience while leaving them curious enough to want more information. The length will vary depending on your content and platform limits, but aim to only give a teaser. Next, it's time to include the Read More button. This button will give users the option to expand the content and read the remaining text. Most platforms have a button or link insertion tool. If you're using HTML, you can create a button with a simple tag. When designing your button, ensure it stands out visually yet complements your site's overall aesthetic. A good practice is to use an inviting command on the button, such as read more or learn more. After your button is in place, it's time to link it to either hidden text on the same page or a completely new page. If you're opting for a seamless user experience within the same page, most platforms offer a toggle option to reveal the extra text when the button is clicked. For this, wrap your extra content in a collapsible div or similar feature, making sure it remains hidden until triggered by the button action. If, however, your platform does not support this, linking to a new page may be your option. Simply ensure the linked page is clean and directly related to the information they have signaled interest in. Lastly, make sure you preview your work to ensure everything looks and functions as expected. Test the button to confirm it reveals or links to the correct information without a hitch. Adjust your design elements if needed to enhance clarity and appeal. Consistency across devices should also be checked, so try this out on different screen sizes to ensure mobile friendliness and responsiveness. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to keep